All right, here's a really quick tutorial on Adobe Express. Once you've downloaded it to your computer and you have it saved and you launch it, you're going to click on the plus button to start a new project. So we're going to click plus. We're going to go down to video. So once you click plus, go down to video, and we can skip this part. So there are templates that you can use, but for this project, we want to start from scratch. That's going to be the easiest way for us to complete our project. And then it's going to scroll and give us some ideas. So here we have one of the slides. If you look along the bottom, when you first open, there's only going to be 2, maybe 3 slides. But we just click plus and it gives us as many slides as we need. Let's click on the first slide. We want to start with the title slide. So you can see over here to the right dashboard, you can click on title, add a photo or a video, click plus to give it the title. And then at the bottom, you're going to want to put who it's by. Right now, the background is very plain and ordinary. We could switch that color by going to theme over here on that right dashboard. We can also resize it, make it square instead of widescreen. I think widescreen does a better job. And here's where we can add music as well. So you can pick any of these different types of music or add your own. The problem with adding your own music is you have to make sure that you pick music that is royalty free. So the Wakelet that we have gives us that opportunity to choose royalty free music, photos. Here's another section with music, images. Anything that you might need to add is in the Wakelet if you don't find what you need inside of Adobe Express. So I'm going to pick a theme that's more colorful. You want to be sure that you don't pick a theme that has writing that's difficult for the kids to read. Sage is probably not a good choice. Let's go with Mega. And then we can pick a color. I'm going to pick this really bright orange color. And it takes a little while for it to show up. There we go. You could also start off your video with an image here, back behind the title. And I could look up butterflies or upload a photo that I find in that section. This is a good one right there. I like that one. Oh, the problem is it's got that little crown, so it's not free. So we want to make sure that you pick images that don't have that crown, that are free, so you don't have to pay for it. Okay. And that is how you create your title page. So each of your other pages you'll just add to. You can do a split screen where you have one image here, one image here, kind of like Sway. This kind of reminds me of Sway. You can just have a full screen and add images in the background or add whatever you'd like. You can have it set up so that captions at the bottom. And what's great about Adobe Spark is there's a timer at the bottom. So if you have a lot to say about this, you just click on that and make the length a little bit longer or shorter. There's also a microphone at the bottom that you click and record your voice for each slide, which is great because then you don't have to worry about whether your slide is going to move on before you're ready, or it just makes the timing really nice. So let's go ahead and record real quick. It says to press and hold while speaking. Monarch Butterflies by Mrs. Soto. Let's try that again. Monarch Butterflies by Mrs. Soto. I think I need to set up my microphone is blocked, so be careful with that. You see how that popped up? when you first start. You got to allow it. Problem solved. Monarch Butterflies by Mrs. Soto. And there you can see the voice moving again, and it's going to record my voice. So now that it's finished, you can play it and see that my music is too loud in the background. It kind of drowns out what I'm saying. So I want to make my music a little bit softer and maybe choose a different type of music. So there's all different choices. There's warm, uplifting, lots of different choices for music. Happy, and you can play it to see if it's what you like. Maybe down even lower. So this little switch turns the music on, and this little dot here adjusts your volume. So that's pretty much it with your Adobe Spark. Now, when you're ready to share it, you're going to click Share, and then you're going to click Publish and create a link. Now, we're not adding a link. We're going to embed it, right? So let's give it a minute. It's going to think it through. It's going to publish it. It might take a few minutes for it to publish it, but when it publishes, you're going to see that there is an embed code there. So I'm not going to waste your time and make you wait for this to publish, but just know that once it publishes, it'll have different choices, and the last one is to embed. And that is Adobe Spark. Have fun playing around with it. I hope that you find the value in this.